Namaste. Through this video, just I want to tell you how many periods for different subjects allotted in the National Curriculum Framework. But I am in a position that I cannot read out the illustrated timetable because of certain areas are not clear. So I will show you what about it. Yes, see that here the timetable 11:15 to 12:05, then comes 11:35 to 12:05, 12:05 to 3. So there comes one doubt. So that is why I am not reading out this illustrative timetable. Anyway, from the illustrated timetable, I have taken it. I counted how many eight periods have been given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like the 8 periods have been given, like preparatory middle stages, and additional enrichment period also given. So from that I counted and giving you now. The reason is that nowadays when I started doing the time allocation, and before also some of them are asking me how many periods we will get for SS, science, like that, and especially in SS, history, geography, political science, how it can be allotted. So far I didn't reply properly. When I went through the NCF, I found some doubt. But anyway, I am clearing that doubt. What I felt, I am telling you. And here, 9 and 10, that is the interdisciplinary. 9 and 10 regarding the timetable is concerned. R1 5 periods and R2 4 periods. There I wrote S1, that means Saturday also 1 period. That is why that together we get for R2 4 periods, and R3 no language, third language, that is 0 period. Then SS 6 periods. IDA 5 periods. I am reading about weekly hours, and IDA, interdisciplinary idea, 5 periods. And here my doubt is that this IDA or this IDP, interdisciplinary project, the SS 9th standard and 10th standard, there is interdisciplinary project is there, IDP is there. So my question is whether science also is having, or some other subject also having the IDA or interdisciplinary project. If otherwise only SS only having this interdisciplinary project, the 5 periods can be added along with the 6, so 11 periods you will get. Then additional enrichment project, 6 periods have been given. So additional enrichment of 6 periods have been given. It means that all subjects should have an art integrated project, and minimum one subject should be all subjects should have art integrated project, and 9th standard and 10th standard is concerned, they are the enrichment projects. So all subjects have enrichment projects. So all subjects can make utilize this at least minimum 1 period each. And so 5 subjects, 5 periods, then one period can be given to library, because there is no separate library for this, so that can be given. And another specialty I found in the secondary stage is that 55 minutes have been given for the lunch break, and classes starts from 8 a.m. onwards. Then science 5 periods, math 6 periods, arts 3 periods, vocational education 6 periods. Among 6 periods, Saturdays 2 periods each, and physical education 5 periods, Saturday 2 periods. That way the timetable has been given. And so I just started to check what about the starting and finishing time of the classes. Foundation period 9:30 a.m. to 3, and here foundation stage means 3 years to 4 years, 4 years to 5 years, 5 years to 6 years, that is Balavadika 1, Balavadika 2 and Balavadika 3. And 6 years to 6 years to 7 years first grade, and 7 years to 8 years, that is second grade. Here up to 6 years the children can leave the school by lunch break. If they want, they can stay back, otherwise they can leave. So 9:30 to 3, then preparatory stage 8:30 to 3:45. The same way middle stage also 8:30 to 3:45 p.m. And secondary stage classes start at 8 o'clock till 3:40. After 3:40 they will be having additional enrichment period 3:45 to 4:35. This way it has been given in the curriculum. And I told you I am not reading the illustrated timetable because of some confusion. And as nowadays there is a question regarding the 2 board examination. Anyway, we know that 2 board examination will not be possible. The reason we all know, because giving more marks, it is written, it is given, not to give more mark, but we know that internally itself children are getting sufficient time. And if 2 board exams are conducted, definitely we know that it may be in a hurry to finish, and it is time consuming. A lot of reasons are there. Why I am telling this now, I got a CBSE update that regarding in a newspaper, that is on 25th June. On 25th June, in the National Curriculum Framework, as the interaction between the stakeholders and the CBSE officials and the Government of India had a talk on it. It is a long process. A lot of steps have to be taken. And so why I am telling this now, that is another question regarding whether 2 board exams will be there. Most often, I think that it is not at all desirable. It is not at all desirable because children can be taught continuously and consistently and repeatedly. We can teach them only if we are getting sufficient time. All on a sudden we are finishing the portion and taking, and another thing is that only one practical exam is given. So how can practical exam will be given only in January, and so even if you are taking one board exam in September or October or November and another one in February or March, you know that this this practical exam only will be taken into account, how the result can be published. Anyway, I just telling that only, and I will tell you one thing more. To the Education Ministry, I have written a letter also regarding how difficult it is conduct of board examination. I have shared it with the controller of examination also, to reduce the burden of the teachers and the authority. Yes, just I shared it with you, that only. Thank you all.